Good morning, my name is Rick Hernandez with SCMH Caterpillar, and this morning I wanted to talk about battery care. We offer a service that we call battery test and evaluation, and it's meant to take your industrial battery and make sure it doesn't end up like these. So I'm going to take you step by step how a battery works, how it's constructed, how to properly care for it, and what test and evaluation and a tune-up can do for your battery. Industrial batteries are constructed of individual battery cells, as you can tell by the positive and negative post of this battery cell. These cells are constructed of flat plates of lead. That's a flat plate type battery. The negative and the positive plate. The positive plate being insulated with several different types of insulation material. These materials constitute what is a good quality battery, along with the plates themselves. Heavier plates, better insulation, better battery. There are inferior batteries and there are good quality batteries. You want to make sure you know what you're getting. So I just wanted to show you a battery that had come out of a forklift, and this one needs to get in the shop for test and evaluation. Have a look at this. That is corrosion that's caused by overwatering, neglect, or misuse. We need to get this battery into the shop as soon as possible. I just wanted to explain to you step by step what's done during the test and evaluation process of an industrial battery. Step one, we pick up the battery and bring it into the shop. First thing we do is do a complete charge on the battery. Second thing, it has to cool for 8 hours. The next step is desulfating the battery. If you don't equalize charge every weekend, that's where you give it a nice, slow, deep charge. You get sulfation, and all that is basically is the acid and the water content mixed together, solid type material at the bottom of each cell. By desulfating these things, by pumping electricity in and giving it a real aggressive charge, it mixes everything up. So that's desulfating. So after desulfation, we take specific gravity readings. Now what we're measuring is the acid to water ratio. It has to be a specific number. And if it's not where it needs to be, we'll have to acid adjust. So after that, the next step is we need to cool that battery once again, because that battery's taken on a lot of heat. After that, the final step is what we call the 5-hour load bank test. Now what we're doing here is we're taking each and every cell that's on the battery, and we are simulating a load like if it was in your forklift. We're taking a reading every hour on the hour on each and every cell. And for that battery to be good, or actually for each of those cells to be good, they have to hold a charge of 1.7 volts each.